Alright guys, so today we're installing black mirrors on the Prelude. I'll show you all. So right now, really all you have to do is, you see we have the stock white mirrors on right here. All you have to do, and I have my black mirrors right there. So there's 3 screws, which is there, and that one right there. You gotta take this whole door panel off to access that screw and that screw. That screw's easy to get to. And the same thing goes on the other side over there. And basically it's just plug and play. You just pull this door panel off, unscrew those screws, put these ones in. You can screw the screws right back into their spots, and you're done. So I don't think you want to watch me take this door panel off, so I'll get back to you all when we got the door panel off. Alright guys, so I undid the door panel. All you have to do really is take that little clip out that goes right there, and then you just have to pull on the bottom down there, and then just pull this part, pull on that part from the bottom, just pull it up, and it'll just come right out. You don't have to unplug anything because we can just access the screws really great right here. So yeah, let's take off these screws and let's screw it back in. You can see that the plug for it is right there. All you gotta do is fit that through the hole, plug it in, and you're good to go. So let's do it. Alright, 2 seconds later, we got the screws out, as you can see. Now really all you're gonna do is reach over here, wiggle it out, unplug that cord from right there, and as you see, boom bada bing, you got a mirror on. Put that right there. Yeah, put that right there, and let's grab our new one and put it back on. Alright guys, so as you can see, the black mirror is on. All you do is just screw these 3 screws back in. You plug this wire coming out right into there, and you can just throw your door panel back on, and you're all ready to go. So let's do that. Alright guys, so we got the whole thing on. I'm going to show you how it looks. We do have one problem though, but wow, that looks amazing. Just looking at it, so it matches the tint in the back and the rims. That honestly looks amazing, guys. You can see the difference over here, like how that looks, and if you come over here, how that looks amazing. But we do have one problem. Make sure that that's in place. Yep, it looks pretty good. We have one problem though, and that is, as I was putting the door panel back on, I dropped this piece, this seal. You can see the seal right there. I dropped the seal because it came off, and I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna put it back on and just not connect it to the actual panel. Put it on there, and it just drops straight down. So now if any water gets in here, it's gonna go straight down into the frame. But my window isn't working, so hopefully I can just keep it up and it'll be fine. No water's gonna get in. Maybe like a drop or 2 when it rains really hard, but yeah, I mean, I really don't care about that. I can always just order another one, because that one was literally like 2 of the clips were already off, and the 3rd one was on its way, and it has like 7 clips. So from here on it was bolted, but from here over it was just hanging down. It just wasn't a good look. So it's time to get that side, and then we'll be done. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm taking this door panel off, and I got this screw out and that screw out down there. And I got that off. And one thing I realized is that that door panel over there has just been ran through, and this one's actually like in perfect condition. So I have to take these speaker screws out also. And I can't just pull it off. I have to actually like unscrew. Like this won't come off. Like if I just pull on it, neither will that. And that's all intact. This is a perfect door panel, and I really don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna unscrew these screws first, and I'm gonna get this thing off. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I actually found the problem. These 6 screws need to come out. Where are they? Okay, so there's these 3 that are right, I'm pretty sure they're right here. Here, basically all the screws that are around the speaker area need to come out. These 3 are these big holes right here, and right there. So all 3 of those need to come out, as well as these 3 long ones. So when you pull those out, you get the door panel off. As you can see, it's off now. Well, until I gotta get that side, but it's basically pretty much off now. So yeah, I'll update you guys in a minute. Alright, so I got the door panel off. One thing I do recommend is that you get something to prop this panel up, like a little stool right there and a little stool right there, so that you don't have to hold it up with your foot like I'm doing. Basically just took out these screws. There was only 2 screws on this one. And then this should just slide right out like that. You got yourself a mirror. Go ahead and throw that hot garbage down there. And we can just slide this new one in and we'll be good to go. We can just put it right back in, do the same thing, and put the door panel back on. Pray for me when I put this door panel back on. You know that's crazy. All right, let's do it. All right, guys, so we just unscrewed those screws, put them back in. Now the mirror is on and it's black. And it is looking pretty rough outside. So I'm gonna hurry up and put this door panel back on. And I will show you guys the final product when I'm done putting this door panel back on. Let's do it. All right, guys, so here's the finished product. Look at that, that looks beautiful. Wow, and once I get my windows tinted, the tint is gonna match the mirrors and it's just all gonna blend in. But that honestly looks beautiful. Let's go look at this side. Oh, let me close the door. Wow, that looks beautiful. It kind of looks out of place on one hand, but on the other it just looks beautiful because you just gotta think, when these windows are tinted and it's like 5%, you're gonna look and you're gonna see all of that, just one big old piece, and it's gonna look nice. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Yep, it's looking good, it's looking real good. God, it looks nice. I'm like in awe right now. That looks amazing. It looks better in person. The camera doesn't do it justice. Let's get a... That looks really good, guys. Wow. All right. If you like this video, drop a like down below. Next video, we're probably gonna lower my rear end because the front of my car is lowered, but the rear isn't. So we're gonna lower that. And yeah, stay tuned for next video. Peace.